country created the world's first computer virus? A. USA, B. Russia, C. China. Correct answer is A. USA. Which is the tallest dam in India? A. Tehri Dam, B. Bahakar Nangal Dam, C. Sardar Sarovar Dam. Correct answer is A. Tehri Dam. In whose memory is the Indian National Women's Day celebrated? A. Kalpana Chawla, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Rani Lakshmibai. Correct answer is B. Sarojini Naidu. The cuckoo is the state bird of which Indian state? A. Jharkhand, B. Odisha, C. West Bengal. Correct answer is A. Jharkhand. When is National Science Day celebrated in India? A. The 28th of February, B. The 5th of June, C. 15 August. Correct answer is A. 28 February. Which is the strongest creature in the world? A. Elephant, B. Dung beetle, C. Gorilla. Correct answer is B. Dung beetle. Which country's people eat the most pizza? A. USA, B. Norway, C. Italy. Correct answer is B. Norway. Which is the most polluted city in India? A. Ghaziabad, B. Delhi, C. Kanpur. Correct answer is A. Ghaziabad. How many colors are there in a rainbow? A. 5, B. 7, C. No. Correct answer is B. Dashamlav Saad. When does the shortest day of the year occur? A. The 21st of December, B. The 25th of December, C. 8 January. Correct answer is A. 21 December. Which is the largest snake? A. Anaconda, B. Cobra, C. Python. Correct answer is A. Anaconda. When was the nationalization of Indian Railways? A. 1950, B. 1951, C. 1949. Correct answer is B. 1958. How often does the census occur in India? A. Every 5 years, B. Every 10 years, C. Every 15 years. Correct answer is B. Every 10 years. How many times did Babur invade India? A. 2 times, B. 3 times, C. 5 times. Correct answer is C. 5 times. Which state in India produces the most coffee? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Karnataka. How long does it take to reach the moon? A. About 3 days, B. About 7 days, C. About 10 days. Correct answer is A, about 3 days. Which country has the most people who worship? A, India, B, Japan, C, Thailand. Correct answer is A, India. What is the main festival of Assam? A, Bihu, B, Pongal, C, Onam. Correct answer is A, Bihu. Which direction experiences the least earthquakes? A, North, B, South, C, West. Correct answer is B, South. Which country's culture is similar to India's? A, Nepal, B, Japan, C, Brazil. Correct answer is A, Nepal.